Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I traded Apple this morning. It was not on my watch list, but it was called out in the BBT chat room this morning. I saw that it was very strong in the first 15 minutes. And as you can see right here, it's a really strong 15-minute first candle, and it's pulled back to the VWAP. And it pulled back to the VWAP on relatively low volume. And it was also a 5-minute ABCD pattern, and my thoughts were to take a small position on the pullback to the VWAP and then add when it broke out. However, when it started coming back down through this moving average on the 1 minute, I got all out, and then I decided to re-enter when I saw that it was making a new 5-minute high after this hammer doji right here. I hesitated a little bit to begin with because I haven't been doing so well on opening range breakups. And so really, if it goes against me, I keep my stop extremely tight, and I would rather just get out and re-enter the position, which is what I did. I took 3 25% partials and then a 50% partial up here at this 120, 150 level. And then I ended up exiting the rest of my position after this shooting star doji on the 15-minute chart, and it made a new low. I have mentioned before to a few of you that when I take reversals, I like the confirmation on the 15-minute chart. I really love to see a hammer doji or shooting star doji on the 15-minute chart, and then a new low being made. And while I did not take this as a reversal because I was pretty happy with my one trade this morning on Apple, if I hadn't already taken that trade, I would have taken this as a reversal. You have a double top here. This second attempt to make to push up through this 121.60 level you have this shooting star doji, and then you have a new low on the 5-minute chart. You also have the 9 and the 20 on the 1-minute chart crossing over and curling down. This is your 50 moving average coming up to meet it. Ideally, I would have went short exactly where I ended up exiting my position with the long side. I would have had a hard stop above this second peak, but my mental stop would have been, I would have stopped out if it pushed up through this 9 and 20 again. And of course, that entry is exactly when it made a new 15-minute low. I use this 15-minute doji and shooting star doji as confirmation for a reversal all the time. And I will show you on AAL a better example. So on AAL earlier, I did not take this one either. Like I said, I was happy with my trade today and I didn't want to give any back. But I noticed AAL was on my watch list at about noon, 12 o'clock. You have this doji candle close on the 15-minute chart. It kind of looked like it could have been finding a top on the 5-minute, and started looking like a little bit of a double top on the 1-minute chart as well. And so it never made a new 15-minute low, so I would not have entered into the position as a short. But later on, you can see about an hour later or so, there was a really nice shooting star doji on the 15-minute. You have 2 attempts, a double top on the 5-minute to push up to this 2290 level. And then you also have kind of a messy double top happening on the 1-minute chart. What probably would have happened with me when I saw that it was making a double top here, I would have probably went short when it made a new 15-minute low. I probably would have been stopped out when it pushed up one more time through these this 9 and 20 moving averages, because you can see right here the 9 and the 20 curling down and crossing over, and the 50s coming up to meet it, but it took a minute before it actually broke down. But a perfect entry would have been right here when you had the new 5-minute low after the double top. That would have also been a new 15-minute low, and you could have taken your partials at moving averages on the way down, or that's what I do, or important daily levels. But that's a little bit of how I use the 15-minute dojis as confirmation for reversals. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button down below and feel free to ask any questions and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.